Hello, welcome to the third video of the Microsoft Access 2013 tutorial to create a project review form. The objective of this video is to create lower level tables. These are like the regular tables. We just need to identify the proper primary key to link this table to the other tables or the main tables. So if you already checked the second video, you know how to create these two tables. We're going to repeat the process with this lower level information table, and we're also going to create these lists for this file in order to provide an input for the drop-down menus in this new data set. So let's go to the folder and we'll select the file that we were working on. So we'll maximize this, and we have the previously created tables. So we're going to repeat the process. We're going to create another table. We go to design view and assign a name, and the name is table subvideos. So in this case, I'm going to create a table recording all the objectives of each of the projects reviewed. Click OK and assign the variables. So since this is the primary key already, I'm going to create the identifier for these objectives, a unique identifier, and this is going to be the subvideo ID. It is an auto number, so it means that it will automatically create a sequential number in order to identify all the videos registered in this dataset. Of course, each of these belongs to a project, so I need to record what that project is. So this is the project ID. I think it's without underscore, just to be consistent. It could be a different name because it's a different table. Short text, and then this is very important because the data type has to match the data type of the other table of the same project ID if I want to ensure referential integrity. Then I just create a subvideo, which is the text. I'm gonna create a long text to record the video text and efficacy rating ID, which is going to be again a drop-down menu. For now, it's a short text until I create the corresponding lists and make the relationships. I need also I'm going to create subvideo type 1 as a yes/no question. So I'm going to create a multiple choice question where reviewers are going to identify a number of possible options matching the type of each subvideo. So if that subvideo is related to, for example, a regional public good, or is also related to keeping peace in a certain region, or is related to regional infrastructure or capacity building for a regional organization, they can select all those if that's the case. So I'm gonna just copy and paste this. It is possible. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. I'm going to change the numbers to 3 and 4. Okay, so I got them. Again, I close and create a list to fill the efficacy rating. So design view, this is the table efficacy rating, and I create a efficacy rating ID. It's going to be a short text, and then I want to display the efficacy rating itself. So it's a short text as well. I go to view in order to enter some data. So this is going to be negligible, modest, substantial, and high. Okay, so we save and we close it. Then we go to relationships to repeat the process as we did in the second video for these tables. I'm going to bring the efficacy rating and the new table, the table superiors. I bring it here. So first I'm going to establish the relationship between the superiors table and the project, the RI portfolio. So I bring the project ID, I drag it and drop it onto the project ID here in the table superiors. This is a one-to-many relationship because, of course, a project can have more than one objective, and then it will appear more than once in this table. So I enforce referential integrity again and create the relation, and this efficacy rating is going to feed this drop-down menu here, efficacy rating ID. So I just drag it and drop it, enforce referential integrity, and create. So we have finished with this process, and we close it, and then we go to the table superiors to assign the input for this efficacy rating ID. So this is not a text box anymore, but a combo box, and the combo box will take information from a table, and the table is the efficacy rating. So I want I want this to bring the first two columns, but I want people to see only the second column. So 0 for the width of the first column, and 2, could be 3 or 4. This inches is the width of the second column. So just save it, and I can go to view, and now you will see that this is a drop-down menu. So we have repeated the process, and from this point onwards we are going to create the queries and the forms to display these tables and allow people to enter the data for each project review. Thank you so much, and join me in the next video for the forms and queries.